How to fix the iPhone battery draining faster issue in iOS 18.3 update. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the iPhone battery draining faster issue on iOS 18. If you've noticed your battery life taking a hit after the latest update, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Turn off VPN. First, open your Settings app. If you're using a VPN, it's a good idea to turn it off when you're not actively using it. VPNs can drain your battery pretty quickly, so simply toggle it off to save some power. Step 2. Enable optimized battery charging. Next, go to the battery section in Settings. Tap on Battery Health and Charging, and make sure optimized battery charging is turned on. This feature helps your battery last longer by reducing wear and tear, so it's a must-have setting. Step 3. Disable background app refresh. Now, head back to the main settings menu and tap on General. Scroll down and look for Background App Refresh. This setting allows apps to update in the background, which can really drain your battery. To save power, you can either turn it off completely or customize it for specific apps. Step 4. Turn off location services. Another big battery drainer is location services. To adjust this, go back to the main settings menu and tap on Privacy and Security. From there, select Location Services. If you're not using apps that need your location, you can turn this off entirely. Alternatively, you can customize which apps have access to your location to save battery. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.